In the mid 20th century, cognitive psychology arose as a challenge to behaviorism. Cognitive psychologists argued that to fully understand behavior, we need to consider the mental process that occur within the mind. They focused on studying internal mental states like thinking, memory, attention, and language, aiming to understand how these processes influence our actions and experiences. Humanistic psychology emerged in the mid 20th century as a reaction to the emphasis on behaviorism and psychoanalysis. Humanistic psychologists believed that previous school of thought had neglected the subjective human experience and the potential for personal growth. Pioneering figures like Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers emphasized the importance of free will, self actualization, and the capacity for healthy individuals to achieve their full potential. Maslow's hierarchy of needs proposes that the human are motivated by a hierarchy of needs starting with basic physiological needs like food and shelter, progressing towards safety, love and belonging, esteem, and ultimately self actualization, the desire to reach one's full potential. Carl Rogers, on the other hand, developed person centered therapy, which emphasizes the importance of empathy, unconditional positive regard, that is, acceptance, and genuineness in the therapeutic relationship to foster self exploration and growth in clients. If you like this video, please stay with us. Till then, see you next video.